Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix Windows logging and slow problems. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Here you will find Windows permissions. So these are permissions that are unnecessary. So it will just cause Windows to have slow performance. So you just need to turn off or disable this from here. And go back to Privacy and Security. Also for this speech, disable that. Inking and typing personalization, disable or turn that off. Diagnostics and feedback, you can also turn this off. Activity history, turn that off. Search permissions, maintain that to moderate. For Microsoft account, turn that off. Work or school account, history, and for the search highlights. And then for the app permissions, if some of these app permissions you're not using, you can simply turn it off. For location, if you're not using this, you can simply switch that off. For your camera, if you're not using that, simply switch that off. Notifications, you can switch that off. For contacts, for calendar, phone calls, switch that off. And so the other app permissions in here, you can simply turn the button off if you're not using any of this. And then close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Now click on Task Manager under the best match. Maximize this. Here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for startup apps. So these are the programs that start automatically whenever you sign in into your Windows. If these are enabled, so change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup program. All you have to do is make a right click and then select disable. But do not disable those important ones. And once done, close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type systm.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Click on the Advanced tab. Click on Settings under Performance and simply choose Adjust for Best Performance. Click on Apply and click on OK. And then after that, you just need to make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.